Did you know that some typewriters can see into tomorrow? Meet Tabitha, a magical typewriter with shiny silver keys. Her owner Sarah wanted to write stories about today, but Tabitha had other plans. Click clack, click clack. Instead of fairy tales, Tabitha typed news about tomorrow. The bakery will run out of cookies, she'd type. Mrs. Johnson's cat will get stuck in a tree. Sarah got so frustrated. You're supposed to help me write stories, not make up silly news, she said. But Tabitha kept typing about tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. One morning, Tabitha's keys moved extra fast. Click, clack, click, clack, she typed, big storm coming tomorrow, everyone must stay inside. Sarah almost threw the paper away, but then she remembered. Tabitha was always right about tomorrow. Sarah ran through town, warning everyone. A huge storm is coming, get ready. The next day, the biggest storm ever hit the town. But everyone was safe inside with food and water, all because of Tabitha's special gift. Sometimes being different is exactly what the world needs.